Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show labels, the icon labels in Control Center. So I bet that most of us are quite annoyed with the fact that after opening this Control Center, we have only the icons without any kind of labels, without any kind of information what this icon actually means and for what it is responsible for. And for example, here with this airplane, we kind of know that it is basically the airplane mode, but I think there could be a problem with this one, or for example, I don't know, this one, we are not sure what that is. And all we have to do in order to actually fix that problem is to tap on Edit. So let's tap. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option Show Icon Labels in Control Center. So simply tap on this switcher here and tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. And now, as you can see, we've got a miracle. Now we've got the icon labels under the specific icon, so we can check what it is actually responsible for. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.